If you have been eating plantain and you haven't tried this very recipe, that means you are missing a lot. This one I'm about to share, lovelies, is called Dodo Ikire. This recipe is so simple, but the result is awesome. It's a must for everyone to try the special plantain recipe from Ikire. What you'll be needing are well-ripe plantains. You can see I've removed the skins. I'm just going to slice them now. Please remember to subscribe, remember to leave a comment. Let me appreciate you. Let me know where you're watching from. Share to your friends. Don't let them miss out. My name is Tolu. Welcome to Delicious Kitchen once again. I've cut them into the small pieces, and I'm just going to keep them aside and move to the next section. What I have here is the palm oil I'll be using. Yes, you need palm oil for this. I've just heated it up and I'm adding the plantain into it. Don't need to bleach it. You don't need to bleach your palm oil at all. Just heat it up a little bit and then pour the plantain into it. To prevent it from getting burned, you have to be stirring it occasionally, at least, so that it will be evenly fried. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to everyone who has ever shared my videos. Thank you so much to you, all my subscribers. Newcomers, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for joining us. Remember to subscribe, join us, and you'll be glad you did. So lovelies, I'm just going to add diced onion into it, and of course, to give it the typical Dodo Ikire vibe, you need to add crushed chilies. That is what I've just added into it. It has to be spicy, and not just spicy just like that. When you are eating it, you will be coming across this crunchy chili, and you'll be crunching it with your teeth. You will love the feelings. So it has to be continually fried like this until you get to this stage. Bam! It has to be fried, not to until it's become golden color, but it becomes dark brown like this. Add some salt to taste, of course. Add some salt into it. You can always adjust your salt, and then turn down your heat. Get your sieve, get a bowl on that heat. Of course, we want to sieve the palm oil out of it. You can just get a spoon like this to press it down so that the excess oil will drop down. And after that, you allow it to cool down a bit, because you need to work with your hand at this stage. Get your hands very well washed. Of course, wash your hands, has to be clean for hygiene purpose, and then start to mold it to this shape. You will notice this is very, very easy. It has become a little bit stretchy, and if you eat this, omo, can you see what we have here? My people, I saved some in freezer, put it in a nylon, in a zip bag. Keep it in your freezer. You can keep this for weeks, for months, and whenever you want to eat it, just bring some out and allow it to defrost. You will still love it. Retains its freshness. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.